und macht die Uhr, das sind die Uhr hallo. Die muss das ist vergessen in ein bisschen rochen. Dann ist ja wieder ein bisschen rochen. Da ich das.
So I'm getting ready to clean up my differential on my 1980 Corvette. You can see the U-joint brackets are kind of rusted. This is pretty dirty, so I'm dousing it with some Osfo, which is acid. Anyways, I'm going to do a time-lapse video of this so you can see the before and after, but as you can see, these are pretty corroded, but once I get done, it'll look exponentially better. Stay tuned. Alright, so I'm getting ready to put a new gasket on my differential, mount the bat wing. It's a gasket I got from Corvette Central. Reusing my 6 mounting bolts. I dipped those in acid, wire brushed them clean, and cleaned them up a little bit so they're good enough to reuse.